Hello friends and welcome back. Today we are preparing natural hair masks that help stop hair loss and boost fast growth. Our main ingredient is ginger. Ginger is rich in antioxidants and active compounds that improve blood circulation, stimulate dormant hair follicles, and strengthen the roots. To prepare the base, take fresh ginger. Cut it into pieces and blend it with a little water. This juice will be the foundation for all our recipes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss more powerful beauty secrets. First recipe: fresh ginger juice. It improves circulation and stimulates new hair growth. How to use: massage the juice directly into your scalp for several minutes. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash off with lukewarm water and a mild shampoo. Repeat this treatment 1 to 2 times per week. Friends, write in the comments and tell me, from which city are you watching us? Second recipe: 2 tablespoons of ginger juice stimulates hair growth. One tablespoon of aloe vera gel soothes the scalp and provides hydration. Mix ginger juice with aloe vera gel until smooth. Benefit of the mask: this recipe prevents dryness, reduces dandruff, and supports strong hair growth. How to use: apply to your scalp and massage gently. Leave for 20 minutes. Wash thoroughly with warm water and shampoo. Use 1 to 2 times a week. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Third recipe: 2 tablespoons of ginger juice stimulates circulation and reduces hair loss. Half a teaspoon of honey moisturizes and adds shine. Mix ginger juice with honey. Benefit of the mask: this mask strengthens weak roots, prevents breakage, and restores softness. How to use: apply to your scalp and massage gently. Leave for 20 minutes. Wash thoroughly with warm water and shampoo. Use 1 to 2 times per week. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Fourth recipe: 2 tablespoons of ginger juice improves blood flow to the scalp. One tablespoon of grapeseed oil, rich in antioxidants. It strengthens hair and prevents thinning. Mix ginger juice with grapeseed oil. Benefit of the mask: this recipe boosts hair growth, prevents damage, and makes hair stronger and shinier. How to use: apply the mixture to your scalp and hair. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water and shampoo. Use this mask once per week. Fifth recipe: 2 tablespoons of ginger juice stimulates and refreshes the scalp. One tablespoon of yogurt nourishes hair and provides proteins. Mix ginger juice with yogurt until smooth. Benefit of the mask: This mask strengthens follicles, adds softness, and improves hair texture. How to use: apply to the scalp and massage gently. Leave for 20 to 25 minutes. Wash with lukewarm water and shampoo. Use this mask once per week. Sixth recipe: 2 tablespoons of ginger juice, prevents thinning and activates growth. 1 tablespoon of coffee stimulates roots and improves circulation. Benefit of the mask: this recipe strengthens weak hair, boosts thickness, and helps reduce hair loss. Apply to the scalp and massage gently. Leave for 15 minutes only. Wash thoroughly with lukewarm water and shampoo. Use this mask once every 7 to 10 days. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your hair's needs.